Dadaji Lifescience Private Limited, a dream to serve mankind with all their needs, a dream for helping others, a dream of reaching worldwide, and a dream to shine globally. Dadaji Lifescience Private Limited works through state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities with high-tech research and development department producing branded generic specialty and over-the-counter products in the full range of dosage forms, that is, capsules, tablets, and powder. Established in 2023 with the mission of supporting lives worldwide, Dadaji Lifescience Private Limited is one of India's fastest-growing export-oriented pharmaceutical companies. Dadaji Lifescience has state-of-the-art of tablet, capsule and oral powder manufacturing facilities with WHO GMP compliant certification. At the material receiving area, raw material and packing material are received, followed by dedusting and notified further to QC and QA departments. Both of these materials are stored in their respective quarantine area with clear identification marks on each container. Sampling of received material is done in classified areas under RLAF to prevent cross-contamination by competent technical staff. After sampling, the material is shifted to under test area. Upon receiving the approval from quality control, material is shifted to the approved material store. In approved raw material and packing materials, store materials are vertically stored in a rack. For easy identification before dispensing, alphabetical numbering and the FIFO approach is followed. The material is kept in RM and PM stores until they are taken for dispensing for further process. Dispensing of raw material is done in classified area RLAF to prevent cross-contamination in separate dispensing booths for API and excipients. The dispensed raw material and packing material are stored in respective day stores. We have classified the gowning system before entry into the core production area to prevent cross-contamination. Personnel will pass through change rooms to have pre-classified gowning before entering into the processing area. We have a dedicated entry room for personnel and material for each core, or as PAL and MAL. The manufacturing process will start with granulation. The quality of granules plays an important role in the final quality of tablets, capsules, or powder dosage forms. We have a fully automated vacuuming process for granulation to prevent human interpretation, which will reduce the chances of contamination. The granules are sampled and tested and released by quality control departments for further processing. These granules are then blended and lubricated to improve their flow properties with our octagonal blenders. Further, for tablets, this lubricated ready for compression blend is compressed using an automatic high-speed double rotary compression machine with suitable attachments of a deduster and dust collector to maintain the cleanliness of the area. These compressed tablets are stored in an uncoated tablet quarantine area before they press to the coating area, where they are uniformly coated in a coating machine. The coated tablets are stored in coated tablet quarantine area before it is transferred to the inspection area, where each tablet is inspected for any possible defects. Similarly, for capsule dosage forms, the granules are filled in a capsule shell on a high-speed automatic capsule filling machine. The capsule filling machine has attachments such as an unfilled capsule sorter and capsule polishing machine before it is transferred for inspection and further processing. After every stage of operation in process quality assurance, IPQCA perform desired tests as per approved specification for each product in the IPQC area. Primary packing of tablets and capsules is carried out in classified areas in fully automated blister packing and strip packing machinery. The intactness of blister packs and strip packs is confirmed by the leak test apparatus before transferring the units to secondary packing. The blister, strip, and sachet are inspected for any contamination in the secondary packing area, and they are further packed in cartons and tertiary corrugated shipper boxes and labeled. Before transferring packed corrugated boxes to BSR, each box is weighed and recorded. In the secondary packing material store, secondary packing material is received and sampled for testing. Upon approval by quality control, the same SCAM is dispensed for the packing process. Finished goods are quarantined, tested and released by quality control, and then stored in a finished goods warehouse or BSR. After final approval of our quality team and review of whole batch records, and final confirmation for dispatch is being made from our factory. Compliance with the WHO and GMP standards, our quality control laboratory is certified by the Food and Drugs Control Administration and equipped with state-of-the-art instruments like HPLC, UV spectrophotometer, auto titrator, KF titrator, refractometer, polarimeter, dissolution test apparatus, disintegration test apparatus, friability tester, hardness tester, sieve shaker, density meter, homogenizer, bath sonicator, centrifuge, cord incubator, pH meter, analytical balance, and many more. We have a dedicated area for performing stability of our product where 3 units of 1000-liter stability chambers are installed. We do have an in-house microbiology lab equipped with 3 incubators, 2 vertical autoclaves, and 2 laminar airflow stations, along with instruments like a colony counter, antibiotic zone reader, microscope, pH meter, bath sonicator, and mini centrifuge. For the development of any new product, we have an in-house facility for formulation and development with simulation of operating principles of machines, exact to commercial scale. Purified water used in the manufacturing of the product and cleaning of equipment parts and utensils is generated, stored, and distributed by an in-house purified water generation plant with a capacity of 500 liters per hour. This purified water is circulated by a loop system in various areas through the clock circulating loop system. These circulation loop systems are periodically cleaned by sanitizing procedures. For the supply of compressed air, we have 2 oil-free compressors with a storage capacity of 1000 liters. The compressed air is dried by using an air dryer before it is circulated to various processing areas of our plant. We have 19 dedicated air handling units, AHU, and 2 dehumidifiers, DHU, in various sections of our plant to prevent cross-contamination. These AHUs and DHU provide clean air to all classified areas with humidity and temperature controlled as per norms of ICH. Fire alarm systems with smoke detectors and fire extinguishers is provided to monitor the safe operation of various operations in the plant. With these state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities and machinery, we can produce 600 million tablets, 800 million capsules, and 100 million powder sachets per annum. With this presentation, we invite you to let's come hand in hand in raising the quality of life for human beings with cost-effective yet high-quality medicines and be a part of our journey to serving this world in a real sense.